A DreamBooth fine-tuning focused on style for a 1.5 model. First, I collected about 400 images related to the comic Swords Peak Legend as my training set, then I labeled them. When I'm tagging, I use this open source tool called Tag GUI. You can also find it on GitHub. This tool is great. It directly replaces the WDE I used before. My approach to tagging involves using a trigger word combined with a description of the image. You can just write the trigger word alone. I personally think that the method I'm showing you now is better. After the training set is prepared, we enter Koya. This time, we're not going with LoRa, we're choosing DreamBooth instead. Set the file path. First, set the model path. Then, set the image training set path. Set the log path. Set the output folder path. And finally, set the name of the output model. Notice this part, we will output a large model because we're performing DreamBooth fine-tuning. Well, I've minimized the premise here. Just get a general idea of them. It may also involve how many times each image is learned. I use 200 times here, and it should be presented in this form. Then we start the training. Where is the key point worth mentioning here? We can choose to load a language model, which will naturally improve the labeling results. This requires strong graphics card and memory support. Fine-tuning large models isn't the issue. What's really needed is support from GPUs and memory. The ROG Strix 16 Air Series laptops deliver extremely powerful performance. If you're planning to upgrade your device, consider this option as it meets our productivity needs in AI-related tasks. Let's take a look at the images we generated earlier, especially this one. I think it's quite interesting. Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the introduction to register and get 1200 gigabits log in every day to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.